should be obvious to anybody that that's the big nut that holds the final drive sprocket onto a Sentinel steam wagon. What I need to do is make a socket, or at least a spanner, so I can tighten it back up again. I've got a bit of 1/2 inch steel plate here. I'm going to burn out a hex to fit the nuts, put a bit of shape on here, leave a handle on, then I can put a pipe across to get a bit more torque on it. First thing to do is draw around it. Right, so we've got the basic shape. I'm going to drill a hole in each point and then cut it out with a plasma cutter. If I look at the radius on there, that's pretty good. That's a half inch transfer punch. We'll use that to mark our hole. I drill them with a 1/2 inch drill that I can burn in between each one with a plasma cutter, and that should give us a hex which is going to be nearly the size of that. Then I can file it and grind it to make it fit. A bit of pop mark on each point. Nothing matter with that. That's the famous pulley repair. You can see it going nice and true. As a friend, I've got a spare belt guard for this drill. I'm going to put a guard on it. Right, so basically I've got my 6 corners, so to speak. So if I just cut along there carefully with a plasma torch, I'll be able to grind and file it to size. I'll round these corners off and put a handle on there. I thought I'd rubbered it with a grinder just to take the thickness of the slag off where it was cut. I'm just going to go around it now with a milling cutter and just square the edges up. I'm looking for 3.5 inches across the flats, which is basically what that is. There's 2 more sides left to do, that one and that one. I'm using the eyeball method of lining it up. This is a really old milling cutter. or chipped or badly worn, but it's ideal for this sort of work. Use a new colour, you can guarantee you'll damage it. That's looking not too bad at all. I think I'll finish off what needs to be done with a file. Right, a little bit of hand file work. It fits quite nicely, nice and tight. That's it. It's just a short spanner because you hit it with a big hammer. Flog it up tight. Anyway, I'm sure Richard will be very happy with that.
So no swearing?
No swearing.
That's the spline. Getting better, isn't it?
Aye. Yep.
Out of idle curiosity, should we turn it
around.
around?
Right.
That's it.
Still fucking
Right on there, isn't it?
yeah. And you could try a light mop up the inside of it.
That's right, yeah, I was
A
thinking that.
little one up the inside splines of that gear.
Yeah,
And just kiss them corners as well.
yeah, understood.
I'll choose it all. So one more grain on the last couple of inches, it should
Yeah, that should do it, yeah. That's it, I've got it.
do it. Okay.
Yeah. Right.
Just that last little bit of them there.
Oh, yes.
That's it. Fine, that's on further than it needs to be, so that's
right, yeah.
all good. Was worth taking our time and getting it right, like.
Definitely. Oh,
You know, when you think of that, how nice and tight that is compared to the old one.
oh, aye.
It's looking good.
Right. There you go.
Right. Faster.
The more faster.
Ready? Oh, she's tight.
Next one.
Do you want to go on opposites or?
No, we're just chasing round now.
Right. Flip it. Yeah, bugger.
When the hand's locked to it.
Yeah.
Alright, John, that's it.
Yes. So you mentioned the last one of them again, eh?
Absolutely. I think I've written ability. Right. That will do. Give it a neutral point again. It's going to be fun to get it out of here, this.
Yeah?
It's going to be a contest to get it out of here.
You reckon?
Yeah.
Oh, it's beautiful, isn't it?
It is, eh?
Gorgeous. Don't mind that, mate. Happy?
Happy, I'm very happy.
See, that's the selector mechanism there, which slides that gear. This is the top gear, which slides into mesh this side. Obviously, at the same time, the other side, the bottom gear sliding out the mesh. There's one big shaft runs right through the bottom of the gearbox. It's only 2 speeds, slow and a bit faster. All proper heavyweight gear. So this is proper Sentinel silicon, Richard?
Absolutely right, really. Get onto that bearing for step.
Big brass.
Lift it on, John.
Right, start.
Just work now, look.
The jack under there.
Nope. This is why I'm going to put it here last.
Right.
See.
See.
Yeah. Won't have to, but
So,
here.
I'll put it on last. That's me poor part, like, won't it?
What will cost of the shaft?
Right. The shot won't go behind the gear. Right. You pull that case knob again.
Just not right off.
Hold on.
Right.
You alright?
Yeah. The case will be further up these joints. Oh, your hands in the silicon.
Right, back on.
Right.
You got them?
Yeah.
Hold on the front.
Right. That might be enough. Just. Ready?
Not me up with it.
No. I don't want to just
Give me one.
because we've got to jack this up now. Because it's
Just taking the case of the core on it.
right, yeah.
Take the gun back in.
That's it.
Of course the casing was fastened up solid and was stripped it.
Was. Push the gear in. This is only part of the crankcase. It's got a dowel.
Right. It is on a dowel, is it?
Yeah.
You have a big lamp on for through there?
Yeah, so it's up good. It's just.
Oh, you've got it, right.
Just with another one, I think. Push it.
Your top was a gap.
Yeah. Was that?
Eh?
Well, it's all squirting all over the place.
I'd love to see that.
Yeah.
Better when it's orange on it.
Orange? Oh.
Fool's gold. You don't use a fool's gold?
No, that's it.
I hate it. Hermes slack.
What? Hematite, that's it.
Hermes slack.
That's right. That's all you said. You just want to talk about hematite and they brought out this instant gasket. Whoa, brilliant stuff.
I was telling you that.
And Black Silver using it in an engineering grade. It's good stuff.
Yes.
Right, jumping on them two buttons staying up.
Have a halo more?
Yeah.
Blue halo more?
Yeah, blue one was okay, yeah. I'll still use it.
Of course.
Yeah.
Right. Now we're off in. That well seems good now. I never got hard. Use it for face-to-face and aluminium. Stock engines and shit like that. These have all got this on it.
Right, let's have the pull ring.
I want for the other one, see. Right.
Right. 13/16 AF.
Should we be using it? Got to whisper more of the gun.
Could be.
Like 13/16 is a proper size, isn't it?
Say again?
13/16 is a proper size.
It is. just the job.
Anyway, once again, it's time to say thanks very much for watching, thanks very much for subscribing, and thanks for clicking the like button. And as usual, a special thanks for all the well wishes that are still coming in towards Debs and me dad. Thanks very much, it really is appreciated.